YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to quickly share with you one simple position that if you adopt and practice on a daily basis, your sciatic pain will reduce. So what's that position? Without wasting any due time, let's have a look.
Lie down on the tummy by keeping two pillows underneath the tummy. Stay in this position for somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes. Slowly you will observe that the symptoms are getting reduced. Once you feel that, do some gentle push-ups like this, as shown in the video. And then relax. Now remove one pillow from the tummy and lie down again in the same position. Stay in this position for another 5 to 10 minutes till your symptoms gradually reduce. And again start doing push-ups. These are partial push-ups. Here you are not putting much of weight, you are just creating slight movement in your spine. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. And then relax. Again, remove the pillow and then now lie completely on your tummy. Stay in this position till you feel that your symptoms are reducing. It will take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, again start doing partial push-ups. Remember, you are not going to lift from your waist, you are just lifting your head and shoulder. Do this for 10 to 15 times and then relax.
So friends, practice this position on a regular basis until your symptoms subside. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you think that this position didn't help, seek a help of physiotherapist. You might need some modification in the positioning, which only after assessment your physiotherapist can determine. So make sure to see a physiotherapist on a regular basis if you are suffering from sciatic pain. If you want help from us, make sure to reach out to us at www.healthqrehab.com. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.